Miguel is 15 years old. In how many years will his age be 3 times as old as he was 6 years ago? So, dito given yung present age ni Miguel. So, ibig sabihin, 15 years old si Miguel ngayon. So, kapag ganitong given yung mga present age, napaka-importante nito, lalong-lalo na kung wala tayong mga given na sum of their ages. So, pwede nating masolve yung mga problem sa pamamagitan lang ng mga present age. So, dito, halimbawa, ang tinatanong, ilang taon daw bago maging 3 times yung edad ni Miguel sa edad niya 6 years ago. So, kailangan kunin muna natin yung edad niya 6 years ago. So, kung ang present age niya is 15, mag-minus lang tayo ng 6. So, ibig sabihin, 9 years old si Miguel 6 years ago. So, kung 9 years old siya, times 3 ng edad niya 6 years ago is equal to 27. So, ibig sabihin, kung 15 si Miguel ngayon, kailangan lang natin magdagdag ng 12 years para maging 27 siya, which is 3 times ng edad niya 6 years ago. So, ibig sabihin, 12 years yung hinahanap natin. So, letter B, yung sagot natin.